for some of you at the beginning of 2017 that you will blow. This is almost the end of the year. You have not blow. You have not blow. The only thing you blow is to blow a kiss. The only thing you blow is to blow candle. But re-blow, you have not blow. That cannot continue. Into 2018, that has to change. You put together concert. You organize shows. Nobody comes. Only your family member. Oh, Shasha, get up. Yes, Shagun, get up. Yes. Have you blown this year?
No, sir.
You have not blown. You will blow 2018. You will blow. So now, talk to your neighbor. Hold your neighbor. Grab your neighbor. Say neighbor. Say neighbor. In 2017, you did not blow. In 2018, you are going to blow. You will boss. You will boss. You will boss. Evangelist Lamy, come out and lead us in the song of warfare. Let's go.
Buzzing buzz, on the must buzz. Plenty spice and enough sauce.
Eli Roma, Roma. Eli Bebeto, Bebe. They want to blessing you, God is blessing you. Buzzing buzz, on the must buzz. Plenty spice and enough sauce. Buzzing buzz, on the must buzz. Plenty spice and enough sauce. Buzzing buzz, on the must buzz. Plenty spice and enough sauce. Buzzing buzz, on the must buzz. Plenty spice and enough sauce. Energy, young galachi. Them all the dick, them all you dick, them all but dick falaji. I for go Abuja, go find my own Nicki Minaj. You should be afraid of what I'll do next, you can't imagine. Our brother and the Lord, they can only try, but they cannot change the will of God. Ibo Latin, but all the cool our original, especially I won't love it Justina. Kaite, obusona, kaite, esa, biti kaite, my flows drop it, them loco, ekba, biti Christ, like General IPP, swagging every damn day. I baby, you, I baby, you.